Hey everybody, I'm back with a new video. I'm Crystal. No one has seen my other videos. Yeah, my name's Crystal and I'm doing first impressions slash everyday like makeup tutorial. Just this shimmery type simple look. And I'm doing a first impressions on the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. Got it at Marshall's. So, if anyone wants to see what I thought of this palette, then you're gonna have to keep continuing the video. Okay, so I already have my base on, like primer, for that, moisturizer, primer, foundation, concealer, and powder. I have all that on. So, I wanted to try out the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. It's so pretty, and it comes with a mirror. And people I've already tried this, but I can try this, and I got it at Marshall's for like 25 bucks. And it's authentic, it's not fake or anything, because I bought stuff from Marshall's like a bunch of times already. And I wanted to try it, because why not? And I got it for Christmas, so. Contour, I'm going to take the shade Subconscious. I don't know any of these names. And, ooh, you don't need that much. You don't need them much at all, holy. And I'm gonna start contouring my cheekbones with my Real Techniques, what is this called? Expert Face Brush, which is literally what I always use to contour with. I think I'm already in love with it, and I just started using it. And I'll be going to Marshall's later, because I got 3 $25 Marshall's gift cards, so I'll probably be doing videos on the products or whatever I get. Anyways, I contoured my cheekbones, jawline, and my nose with the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. The powder version. I didn't mention that. It's the powder version. And so far I like it. I've only tried like one shade in it, but I like it so far, so I'm gonna grab some. No, I'm not doing blush yet. Am I? I don't know. I think this is a pretty good palette though. It kind of has kick. Well, it does have kickback, like when you dip your brush in it, but it's powder product. Like, who cares? Kickback doesn't bother me as long as it's not like destroying the whole pan of the product, which this isn't, so I'm fine with it. But I'm going to start on my eyes. I'm going to do like a simple look today and then add some shimmer. It's going to be, yeah, probably basically the look I did for Christmas because I got a new palette. Well, to me it's new from last year, but it's the Makeup Forever Artistic palette. Yes, this palette. It's so pretty and pigmented and shimmery and I love it a lot so far. I've only used like 2 shades, the white and like the silvery champagne shade, but it's a really good palette. And that was only 15 bucks at Marshall's too. I'm in love with it and I want to try more Makeup Forever products. That was my first one. So I'm going to prime my eyes real quick and get started with the eyeshadow. Okay, so my tripod just broke, but my brother's letting me use his little one right now, so thank you, because that thing, I don't have one. Great. I have to try to find one later so I can still make videos. I am not having a good day right now. I'm gonna put this mauve type neutral shade from this NYX palette I use a lot that I got from TJ Maxx a while ago, and put that in the crease on both eyes, obviously. And then blend it out with a fluffy brush. And I'm just doing a simple look today, so nothing special. Well, minus the shimmer shades and the other palette, because they're really, really, really pretty to me. I can't believe my tripod broke. I only had that for a couple months too. It's only 10 bucks, 11 bucks on eBay, but like, this one's kind of better. So I'm hoping they have some like these at Marshall's, because it's got like a thicker part to put my phone on. The other one was like this tiny, and my phone would go slip, bang, onto my dresser literally all the time. But I'm going to take this shimmer shade. It's really, really pretty. I don't even know if you can see that, but it's like a silvery champagne shade. And I'm going to put that on the lid. I might use my finger too, because actually I'm going to wet my brush maybe. Where's, I'm gonna use one of these, making my phone shake over here. Wet my brush to make this a little more brighter, intense. Yeah, I don't know what to call it. I don't know. But I'm going to take shimmer shade in that Makeup Forever palette that I got, and just pat over the lid. You can use your finger if you'd like to, which I'm about to do. I'll use the brush a little bit and then I take my finger if I want a little more, which I do. So. Okay, I already threw liquid liner on my wings. Or don't want to be even today either. Like, I'm not having a day with anything, makeup, nothing. But wanted to film, so just gonna keep it rolling and continue. Okay, I already put mascara on too. I forgot to say that. I had to curl my lashes too, because these lashes are like pinned straight like a needle. But the mascara I only used a little bit, so they don't get like clumpy or anything. But this mascara doesn't get clumpy. But I use CoverGirl Peacock Flare Mascara that I got from Influencer, which I've been digging a lot, and then use it like almost every day, and I didn't think I was even gonna like it. I'm gonna use, for lashes, I'm gonna use the Eylure. I love these lashes. Eylure? I don't know. Eylure? I don't know how to say their name. The definition number 126. I think that's what they're called. Yeah. These are really, really, really nice. And I've never tried the lashes before. And they sell these at Marshall's too. So if I find a pair, I'm probably buying a pair. Depending how much cash I got left on my cards, gift cards. And I'm going to use my Dual Lash Glue. And I finally got some more at Target, so yay! They won't take forever to put lashes on, and they'll actually stay on my eyeballs. Well, not eyeballs, but lids. I'm gonna let this lash get tacky. Where's my blush? It's over here. I tried the Essence, one of their blushes, the heatwave kind. I love this blush. It was only like maybe, I could say $4 at Target, I think. But it's really, really, really good. I'm gonna apply that in a little bit. I'm trying to apply these and make sure they don't all the way dry. I just want them tacky. And I used to not even wear false lashes till like sometime this year. Last year. Yeah, no, this year. Okay, so I put the Eylure lashes on. These are so pretty. Everybody needs to try these. These ones are only like $5, I think, $4.99. Ugh, my nose is dripping. I hate this winter weather, especially New York weather, because this is where I'm at. I don't like it. It's not fun. But I'm going to do blush and then highlight. And I'm going to use the Essence Blush Up Powder Blush in Heatwave that I was mentioning earlier, or a few minutes ago, a few seconds ago. I don't know. And this blush is super pretty because it's like ombre, but it doesn't like pick up too much pink or orange. It's like really, really, really good. And I'm just going to put those on the apple. Put those, yeah. Put that on the apples of my cheeks. This blush is really pretty. I didn't think I was ever going to try their blushes or anything. But I always saw them like in the store and they looked really pretty, and I was like, I need more blush. I used to not like blush, but I'm kind of getting into it now. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, for highlighter, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Facial Whip, and what is this one called? I don't know what it's called. Okay, I don't remember what the shade of this, but I'm going to use it. and I haven't really tried this one on my cheeks yet. And I got it in the e.l.f. gift set that was like $5. Comes with. Where's the other one? The other facial lip one, the white one. And they smell like Fruit Loops, and they give an amazing glow. And I had to get it because they're $1 at like Walmart, Target, but they don't have them separately at any of my stores. And I was like, I'm gonna give them a gift set. I get both of them. Why not? Maybe I like them. Maybe I won't. And I love them. So I haven't really tried this one on my cheeks yet, and I want to try it. I've been using the white one like constantly. This one's pretty too, though. The hair's sticking everywhere. They blend really easily too. I love e.l.f.'s products so far that I've tried. For Christmas I did the white highlighter, and then I put like a little bit of the powder one on top. Just because I like an intense glow. If you don't like an intense glow, you can just use a little bit of this and you'll be good. Or if you don't even like highlighters, you don't have to put anything. I like this one. Okay, for the powder highlight, I'm going to use my e.l.f. shimmering highlighter powder, or whatever it's called. I think that's what it's called. Shimmering highlighter powder. Yeah, okay, got that right. In Starlight Glow, and put it on top of wherever I put the facial lip highlighter. And a little on my chin. And I put some of the highlighter on my nose as well. I forgot to say that. Let's go. And my cupid's bow. Forgot about that too. Okay, so I put mascara on my bottom lashes, and my mom needs to be quiet to finish this. But for lips, I'm gonna use my NYX, what's it called? Slim Lip Liner Pencil thingy. That's the name? Yeah, thingy. And I'm gonna line my lips real quick. Okay, for lipstick, I'm going to use my Kat Von D Studded Kiss lipstick in shade Lolita. That was $6.99 at Marshall's that I mentioned earlier. And I'm going to set my face with my Hard Candy setting spray, the matte finish one. Ah! In my ear. It's not where I wanted it. Okay. And I need to straighten my hair in a little bit, and I'll just do it after the video because I gotta go eat dinner and then head to Marshall's. Okay, so my final thoughts on this. I really like this palette. I haven't tried many contour palettes, but people raved about this like all last year and this year, I think, too. And it was only $25 at Marshall's. So people should check out Marshall's, TJ Maxx. They sell literally about the same products there. And yeah, everybody should try this. It's really good. It blends out really easily. Holy fuck, I did not blend that all the way. But contour blends out really easily. I haven't tried the highlighting shades. Well, I tried a little bit under my eyes, but you can't really tell here. But I like it so far. So everybody should try this if you're into contour palettes. And if you don't want to spend that much, go to Marshall's and get it before they're out, because I don't know if they're going to keep them all year or what, because 2018's almost here, and they might not be selling them after that, so everybody should jump on that deal. Anyways, this is the finished look. You could literally do like this as an everyday look, but I did it for Christmas basically, besides like the highlighter is a little bit different. You could do this for an everyday look or whatever you like to do for. It's just neutral shade and like shimmer on top. But yeah, oh, I forgot to say, the Kat Von D lipstick, these are really, really nice. Lolita is a very, very pretty, like, pink tone shade. I don't know what to call it, but it's very pretty, and I've never tried these lipsticks of hers. I only have one of her liquid lipsticks. It was $20, so that was only $7 at Marshall's. I probably said that about 20 times in this video, but I'm just reminding people. They forget. Ow. But yeah, people should try out Marshall's and TJ Maxx and this other store called Nordstrom. I think that's how you say it. They sell high-end makeup, like half price there. Because that's where I haven't tried Nordstrom yet, but I've been in there a bunch of times. I just haven't bought anything yet. But anyways, I'll be going to Marshall soon, in a little bit, like an hour or two. And I'll get to spend my gift cards and have some new makeup products. New to me. Maybe new to some other people too, but yeah. I keep blabbing on. But anyways, I'm going to have some new products. I'm gonna buy some clothes too. Hopefully find a new tripod. And I hope everyone enjoyed this first impressions video / everyday type kind of look tutorial. I don't know what to call it. But make sure you like and subscribe down below. Check out my other videos. Comment down below if you liked how I did this. Ask any questions if you like to. I don't mind answering them at all. And I'll see everybody in the next makeup tutorial or whatever I post next. Bye!